The snow is so beautiful today. This fire needs a little more to keep us warm. There we go, nice and cozy.
These pancakes are perfect for a snowy day. Yeah, and I'm starving. Look how much snow is falling. Can we go sledding after this? Of course. Ready for this, sweetie? Yes, let's go! Whee! This is so fun! Hold on tight!
I'm back.
Welcome home, dear.
Papa, come play trains.
All right, let me join you.
This one goes here?
That's right, buddy.